husband are coming over for dinner tonight, and I'm gonna make for dessert creme brulee. I think it looks pretty, don't you think? All right, let's start with our creme brulee. We're gonna need 4 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. Yolks and 1 whole egg. We're going to mix this with 1/2 cup of regular granulated sugar till the sugar really gets incorporated. Heat up 3 cups of heavy whipping cream till it almost comes to a boil. 3 cups. Make sure you stir it frequently because we don't want the cream to burn at the bottom. The goal here is to have very hot cream, but not boiling cream. Our heavy cream is hot and ready. Now we need to temper the eggs. So what we do, we add a little bit of the hot cream into the egg mixture. And we're gonna do it first, little bitty. I have a ladle spoon and I'm just gonna use maybe 1/3 of a ladle spoon first. After I added a total of 1 ladleful, our eggs are tempered and we can slowly introduce the rest of our hot milk. This is the time to add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 tablespoon of Grand Marnier. It's an orange liqueur. Bake our creme brulee in a preheated 325 oven, and we're going to do it bain-marie, which means we fill it up with hot water up until halfway through the ramekins. For about 35 to 45 minutes. You want them when it's not jiggly in the middle, but you don't want them well done creme brulee is finished baking, and I've removed them out of the water bath and set them out here on the counter for them to cool off at room temperature. So now we're ready to actually pour the sugar and brulee them. So here we go. We're going to add a thin layer of sugar. And we do this sugar right before we're serving it. And we swirl it around so it covers all of it. And the thinner the layer, the better. You don't want a very thick crust. There's two kinds of blow torches to caramelize the sugar for your creme brulee. The easiest one and the most economical one is the one that you can buy at your Home Depot hardware store. And it's big and strong. And when you start it, make sure that the flame is pointing away from you. And then we have the home cooked smaller version, which is a lot safer. However, it takes so long that it's almost not worth it. So I recommend you go with the bigger one. We're going to keep a distance about 3 inches, and we're going to move from left to right. And soon you're going to see the sugar bubbling and caramelizing. It starts to turn darker brown. Now there's other methods you can do. You can use your broiler in the oven. It doesn't have the same uniform effect, but it's a lot safer, I suppose. Creme brulee. Now this is very hot. And don't be afraid of tempering those eggs. It's so easy. I was afraid the first time, but once you do it, it's really simple. Mmm.